wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rust removers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Whink 1081 lifts corrosion from toilets, sinks, bathtubs and tiles in bathrooms effectively. It doesn't stain or discolor fabrics, though you should wear gloves when applying it and avoid breathing in any of the fumes, as it is potentially dangerous. It won't harm pipes or septic systems and is made in the United States. However, note that it's not designed for use on metals. At number 9, Loctite Naval Jelly is good for those looking to restore small antiques. It'll usually take grime off ferrous metals, leaving a surface ready to be primed, though you do need to brush on a very thick coat for it to work effectively. It's water-soluble for an easy cleanup, but it's not ideal for use on chrome, and it can strip paint if left on too long. Coming in at number 8 in our list. An extremely potent option, boeshield rust-free can be used on everything from chrome and cast iron to vinyl and cloth. But while it is effective, care must be taken when using it, as it does contain acid and can dull paint. A little goes a long way, however it must be used in a well-ventilated area, and it's not suitable for black oxide tools. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rust removers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, WD-40 Specialist is a good choice for old tools, screws and other hardware that's plagued with corrosion. It gets the job done and won't harm painted or non-metal parts in the process. This is a commercial strength formula that's a good choice for restoration work, but it does often require overnight soaking. Moving up our list to number 6. Brite not only works on metals, but can be applied to concrete, stucco, ceramic and other porous surfaces too, making it great for use all around the house. It doesn't require any scrubbing either. It's safe for use on porcelain tubs and is good for marine applications too. It's fully biodegradable. Halfway up our list at number 5. Workshop Hero Metal Rescue is amazingly easy to use. All it takes is a bit of time and zero elbow grease. You simply fill a plastic container with the solution, submerge whatever you're working on for 5 minutes to 24 hours, then wipe it clean. It's safe to pour down the drain and contains no acids or caustics. It doesn't damage paint either. At number 4, innoshine B570 is a 100% organic formula that's safe to use on food preparation surfaces, making it ideal for those in the restaurant industry. It's a non-abrasive solution that's also good for removing grease. It helps to prevent future corrosion too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, Calcium Lime Rust, better known by its acronym CLR, is a powerhouse that helps to break up and remove all 3 of the things for which it's named. You can use it to clean tubs and showers to get rid of unsightly soap scum and hard water stains. It's suitable for both home and industrial use and doesn't contain any ammonia or bleach. It's safe around plants too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rust removers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Summit Brand's Iron Out Gel can bring a shine back to heavily rusted items. It works like a charm with minimal effort, even on very tough stains, and comes in a convenient spray bottle that makes application quick and easy. It clings to vertical surfaces and usually doesn't require any scrubbing. It won't leave behind any residue. And coming in at number 1 on our list, evapo-rust is an industrial strength option that'll help get the job done quickly and safely. It lifts corrosion from a range of ferrous metals like iron and steel, and is non-toxic and harmless to the skin and eyes if it happens to come in contact with them. It makes chrome shine like new again and doesn't have a strong smell. The solution can often be reused. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rust removers, or simply click beneath this video.